Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDCat MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is which hormone increases blood pressure by causing vasoconstriction? A. Adrenaline. B. Angiotensin 2. C. Cortisol. D. Insulin. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which part of the nephron is primarily responsible for the reabsorption of water and nutrients? A. Bomin capsule. B. Proximal cannulated tubule. C. Distal cannulated tubule. And D. Collecting ducts. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is what effect does an increase in blood CO2 level have on effect on blood pH? A. It decreases blood pH. B. It decreases blood pH. C. It has no effect on blood pH. D. It causes blood pH to become neutral. So the correct option is B. It decreases blood pH. The next MCQ is which feedback mechanism is most commonly used to maintain homeostasis? A. Positive feedback. B. Negative feedback. C. Neutral feedback. D. Inverse feedback. So the correct option is negative feedback. The next MCQ is which of the following responses is an example of homeostatic regulation of blood volume? A. Increase urine production when blood volume is high. B. Decrease heart rate when blood volume is low. C. Increase blood flow to the kidney when blood volume is low. D. Increase sweating when blood volume is high. So the correct option is A. Increase urine production when blood volume is high. The next MCQ is what is the main function of the sweat gland in thermoregulation? A. To increase body temperature. B. To decrease body temperature through evaporation. C. To absorb excess heat from the environment. And D. To store excess heat. So the correct option is B. To decrease body temperature through evaporation. The next MCQ is which organ produces the hormone erythropoietin, which helps regulate red blood cell production? A. Liver. B. Heart. C. Kidney. D. Pancreas. So the correct option is C. Kidney. The next MCQ is in response to low blood pressure, which hormone is released by the adrenal gland to increase blood pressure? A. Aldosterone. B. Insulin. C. Glucagon. D. Adrenaline. So the correct option is A. Aldosterone. The next MCQ is which psychological process helps to maintain electrolyte balance in the body? A. Hormonal regulation. B. Osmosis. C. Filtration in the kidney. D. All of the above. So the correct option is D. All of the above. The next MCQ is which structure in the kidney is responsible for filtering blood and initiating urine formation? A. Renal pelvis. B. Renal corpuscle. C. Lobe of Henle. And D. Collecting ducts. So the correct option is B. Renal corpuscle. Thanks for joining me. I hope these indicative MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.